my channel. I'm Angie. Today I'm in New York City and I'm filming Good Morning America. You can probably already tell by the thumbnail and title, but literally I cannot believe it. So like a few weeks ago, probably like over a month ago, Good Morning America actually reached out to me through email, and they found me actually through my Washington Post article. It's basically all based on this way to hula hoop thing. So in the beginning of the year, I filmed multiple TikToks trying a way to hula hoop out, and they went pretty viral on TikTok. And then I also created a YouTube video, which was my latest video on YouTube about a way to hula hoop. And since all of that and the Washington Post article, Good Morning America reached out to me and they wanted to do a segment on TV. When they emailed me, I was super shocked and very excited. So it's been like a couple weeks in the making, back and forth emails, planning the trip out, planning when I'm gonna go on, traveling and all that stuff, because I am from Philly, so I had to travel from Philly to New York City, which is where Good Morning America is filmed. So they actually booked everything for me, which is really nice. They booked a train from Philly to New York for me, and then they had a car pick me up from the train station to the hotel, which was literally like 5 minutes. I could have walked here, but it was really nice of them. So I'm here at the hotel now, and let me just say, it was a whole thing getting here. I made it! I literally just arrived to my room, so I want to give you a little tour. Once you walk in, mirror, pretty nice. And then there's TV, bed, a little desk area, and then this is the bathroom. And also I packed really last minute because I had no idea what to wear on the show, but I figured that out last night. I'm gonna pack everything in this duffel bag. I'm literally leaving for like 24 hours only, so this should be fine, and then I could carry it around like this. I got this from Target, by the way. First, I'm gonna decide what I'm going to wear on the actual show. I kind of have an idea already, but there's like rules and stuff. So initially I had like a different idea of what to wear, but it involved a crop top, and then reading through the email, they told me that I had to cover my stomach. So I had to figure out something else to wear, and I think I have the perfect thing, but let me see. Don't mind the messy background, by the way. This is my idea. So it's this two-piece set that's yellow. It looks kind of greenish yellowish in the camera, but in person it's actually just yellow. The reason why I chose this is because I want to dress up, but like at the same time it's a hula hoop segment, so like I'm gonna need to hula hoop, and I think this is perfect. It doesn't require any type of belt, and there's no like buttons here, so I think I can hula hoop in this. And then the top is more like conservative. My call time is at 9:15, so it's in walking distance of the hotel, so I'm just gonna walk over and see what happens, I guess. I brought my way to hula hoop in my duffel bag, but I don't know if I'm going to need it, and I had to like take it apart to put it in my bag, so I'm probably not going to assemble it before going there, or should I assemble it and then walk over with a whole hula hoop on my shoulder or something? It is 3:02 right now, so I have now to the rest of the night, I guess, to do whatever I want. This room is pretty small, so I hope no one could hear me through the walls. That'll be embarrassing if they do. Oh, and I also forgot to mention, I hurt my finger really bad. Sorry but if it looks like I'm giving you the middle finger, but I hurt this finger really bad on the train. I was just trying to open the compartment to put my duffel bag, and then for some reason my nail just like got caught inside the thing, I guess, and then it tore in half. And I didn't even know what happened at first. I just felt my finger throbbing, and then I looked down and then it was like blood and it ripped in half. This was my outfit for today, by the way. Very comfy. This top's from Ross. These bottoms are from TJ Maxx, and the shoes are from TJ Maxx as well. It's only 6:13 and I already took a shower and changed in the PJs. I'm actually really tired, so I'm just gonna relax here, maybe take a little nap. Look, I'm on like the edge of the bed, and I have all this room over here that I just put random stuff. This is I got my coffee. I bring this little mirror with me because it folds up. It's broken though, right there, but that's okay. Okay, I'm done my hair. This is how I wanted it. It's like light curl slash wave. I don't really want it to be like too curly, so I think this is good. I have this wide tooth comb that I'm just gonna brush through it to make it like more wavy rather than curly. Okay, I'm ready. Here's the outfit with the makeup and the shoes, and it is 8:41. I still have some time. I'm here. It says GMA right there. This is the studio. Wow.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. They were taking here this morning. This is not what this normally looks like.
Okay.
All the stuff
This is
here.
nice.
What is this?
Look where I am. I'm inside the GMA studio right now, and they put me in this little room. It's really nice. I have it all to myself. Look at it. There's a TV. It was showing like the live taping of what was going on right now, but I think something happened with that. I don't even know what to do right now. But look, there's a mirror here too. And they even let me go on to the actual like GMA stage and take a picture. It was so cool, literally so cool. And the woman, like the producer, so nice to me, and she even like took multiple pictures of me walking off the GMA stage. It was like the greatest feeling.
Can you tuck it somewhere? Yeah, I'll take it.
So you could put it anywhere back there or over there.
Yeah. Can you put it? So basically, this is not the segment. It's just. If you want, if you don't mind, I can put it over there.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
How are you feeling, Angie?
Good.
Excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
It's amazing. You have what, 6 people joining your
So
segment?
we'll probably be live in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay?
Always looking for ways to stay in shape. How fun is this one going to be? There's a new trend out there on TikTok. We're talking about weighted hula hooping.
That's right, and we wanted to see this new workout trend in action. So joining us now is a content creator who went viral after sharing her progress with the weighted hula hoop workout. Welcome to you, Angie Wang. Thanks for being with us.
Out of all the clips they could have used from my TikTok, they had to choose that one. It's just too funny.
Okay, now what got you into this in the first place, and did you get the results you were expecting?
Well, I was looking for a new workout to do, something that would be fun. So I decided to look online. I found a way to hula hoop, so I just decided to try it. And I feel like it was pretty effective. I felt some results in my abs area. And at first though, I did feel some pain. The first few days you might have like some pain in your ab area, but now it's super easy for me to do.
Wow, I'm glad it's super easy for you to do. I couldn't do the hula hoop trend when it wasn't weighted back in the 80s.
Then for like the whole middle part of the segment, they have a doctor on and she talks about the benefits and risks. If you want to watch that, I'll link the full
GMA video down below.
And Angie, you put a disclaimer on some of your videos. Say, hey folks, I'm not some licensed trainer or anything like that. This is you. Pick this up on your own. But we recruited some of our viewers here, but this is for anybody. Tell folks what the technique is or what worked for you.
So a lot of times I see people do like wide, big movements, but it's more like smaller movements with their hips and more like back and forth. So,
and then right here, I stumble on my words a little, but then I just recover really easily. And I think it flowed pretty well and it went really smooth. I hope.
And how heavy is that? Explain to folks how. Yes.
This one is 3.8 pounds, but the one that everyone else has is a little lighter. It's 1.6 pounds.
And you can add as much or as little weight if you like to these things. Okay.
The whole question around the weight of the hula hoop was not planned at all. So luckily, I knew the answer.
You take them through it, and we'll see how this goes here.
Okay, everyone ready? Okay.
Wow.
Now, again, how long do you do this to get the results you got?
So I go one way like 10 minutes and then one way the other way 10 minutes.
All right.
And you're right, you're not making big movements there, but
yeah, it's really
very
small
effective.
movements. You could go faster too.
Oh, look at that.
But it will
Position.
start hurting after a while.
Well, that looks amazing. It's easier for some than others, but and that's why we're not trying it, because I know I'd be looking like that. Way to go. We want to thank you, Angie Wang, and of course all of our viewers. We've got Jeannie, Leslie, Michelle, Robin, and Sarah. Thank you for taking one for the team, everyone. We appreciate it.
I'm so proud of myself for not saying a bunch of times. I did say like a few times, but I think that's okay.
I'm back! Okay, so that was crazy. Everyone there was so nice. They were willing to film for me. Someone was holding my camera the entire time filming clips for me, and then someone was taking pictures the entire time for me also. They were not able to film in the studio because of COVID, so we were outside, but I was freaking sweating. It was amazing, and everyone said that I did really good. People were saying that I look natural, which is great.
How'd it feel?
Good. It was a little nerve-wracking at first, but then once I got into it,
You didn't look nerve-wracked at all.
That's good.
Really good. Like every time we make eye contact, I'm like, has she done any good this before? No, have you?
no, I haven't. But I'm used to being on camera.
No, I loved it. You were so composed and yeah.
Oh, thank you. Like, yeah, I wasn't sure how it came across.
Your first national appearance, and you really, I mean, you flowed with fingers and everything. Even the way you engaged. Come on, guys.
I wasn't sure if I should leave my hair like this, but I ended up tucking one behind my ear just because like I felt like it kept going in my face like this, and I didn't want both pieces to go in my face. I also wanted to talk about how many things were involved, like behind the scenes. Literally, there are like millions of cameras. That's an exaggeration, but there's so many cameras. There's like 4 huge big lights, so many people standing behind the scenes. I have my mic up, like people checking that, if that's okay, if it's working. Like there's security, there's audience members. We're literally in the middle of Times Square. It is insane. It was such a rush and I had so much fun. And I also have to mention the fact that there was this guy behind the prompter and he was like directing me to look at certain things and what to do. And yes, there was a prompter, but I did not have to look at it because there was nothing that I need to refer to, but the host looked at it. And it was so distracting though because I kept wanting to look in that direction. Initially, I was looking directly at the camera, and then once the host started talking, the guy next to the prompter was telling me to look at the host, and there was just so much going on, I didn't know what to do, so I was like, okay, let me just keep looking at the host. Let me know what you think of it, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!